See, baby, listen, I've been going longer than the context and the AccuV. They settle for 20, but I'll take it down a dime. Check it. On the price I will get damn. I guess nothing when I'm licking and lips cram. I ain't know that they berry bird fruit. I'm out like juice. Else shoot. Damn nigga been about it. I move. I check it on the block like the corner L. Do you or remember that mama say take two? It takes two. I'm on a marry who like the Jane, baby, never done. Moana. When I see her, I be looking for Madonna. I ain't know the marijuana come before the Maryland. Please, you stopping, it's scaring me. But all of this pressure on me ain't doing naring nothing. I've been looking at the cars like I'm staring. Well, damn, nearing a shower could get you hearing. A second, baby, off your problems. Listen, stress is what you make me, but I take the and check and make it the pause just for can we breaking this morning, baby. I ain't mean to switching balls. But not what's dragging. I ain't know what happened. I got the chain. Damn, it must be the chat man. Put the stick around my lips when I need the button, but the damn don't it freaking grip.
This one?
Make love to me.
Because we have two types. One is the new one. The new one is no, that's the Max Pro. It's the light. The difference is that this one has the CD inside. The new one doesn't have the CD.
I was gonna make a joke.
It's just that it's a bit of a
joke. Like, what's the point of anything to I mean, at state, I learned in your mind. So, when we're having competition with, being employed and being able to advertise themselves freely on the internet, then make it a line and not a state so that our minds can get in sync. And I don't think, Jay-Z's asking for much when he says empire, just to take you a little higher. If I had a morning TV show, I'd be all T for you, bet. But Tap and Pell pay me, and a grant would be something to say that countries come together to realize the needs of their citizens by assessing them as individuals, and the process can be strenuous. But if you make it to college, then G-Unit and Bird Game is something that may not be allowed, because going through metal detectors and being offered student access to facilities may keep you away from what you love the most. And I'm sure that could be a spouse or a morning with Stefan Rouse, to say that if you're here with me and you expect a radio show, then why not a Rouse or a rodeo? You know what I'm saying? Buying, selling, giving, directing intentions to abnormal, uncalculatable measures really give us a point to, conversate in terms that we aren't sure that are for certain, like uncalculated, and words that aren't for certain that they mean anything when time is always of the essence. I don't know what the fuck time is, you know what I'm saying? Like, time could be a fucking tick or a talk, you know what I'm saying? A bomb, a woman, spending time with her and saying that her words don't mean what she says they mean, when being there for her or spending time with her could mean something else. And you have classes to go to, shows to pretend, and you don't want to be with, your loved other, because once again, if time is at the essence, what's the beauty, what's comfort, and what's really, something that you believe is valued at, a personal obligation to yourself, which is just making sure that you are right. I mean, like, if we can't settle for like a jobless market, like nobody working, or unemployment benefits, like what's the point of saving for a future, a belief in Social Security without a state, or just a mind to budget and time? Sometimes the nick isn't enough. You are for me though, baby. Being Hispanic and Black gives me the opportunity to preserve my youth by being knowledgeable about, slang and ebonics and they do. Just like, it's too much sometimes. So like, whenever you want to like sell the effect, you could be running short on time. Fluids, like, water, juice, and milk. Soy milk is good. Milk is good. Regular milk, vitamin D. And vitamin D and calcium. Orange juice has calcium either, but it also has a flavor. Like tame, like, tapping out, bring back the conscious reality to our natural functions. When we feel threatened, we need to let somebody know. I'm in a lot of pain right now. My back, my side, my feet, and being, conscious about an empire, a state, or a line. How far, to go when advertising or just putting something on the internet makes you feel self-conscious because it's significant other could mean more to you than your own depression. You know what I mean? So being conscious about, or cautious about, being long-winded. I know when you break up a session and do something else. Like if I could have 1,161 videos online, I would be thinking about hits. I would be thinking about the reason why I say, be conscious about the specifics is because videos aren't hits. And when you upload material, the more material you upload, the more you can go over who you are as a person and who you enjoy. So I'm about to listen to some more Ludacris.